cosmic secrets revealed. Beyond time, beyond space, beyond imagination.
Imagine waking up tomorrow to the news. Humanity has officially colonized Mars. The red planet, once just a distant dream, is now our second home. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? A plot from a blockbuster movie. But what would that reality actually look like? How would we go from the first footprint in the red dust to a bustling Martian city? Today, we were going to peel back the layers of that incredible fantasy and explore what human life on Mars would really be like, right from day one. We'll look at the first pioneers, the incredible challenges they'd face, and the groundbreaking technology that could make it all happen. This isn't just a story about rockets and red landscapes. It's a story about the future of humanity itself. So buckle up, because we're about to take a journey 140 million miles from home. The first humans to set foot on Mars won't be tourists looking for an exotic vacation. They'll be the modern-day equivalent of the world's greatest explorers, pioneers in the truest sense of the word. Think of a hand-picked crew of brilliant scientists, resourceful engineers, skilled doctors, and rugged builders. These individuals would have undergone years of intense training, preparing not just their bodies, but their minds for one of the most hostile environments in our solar system. Imagine stepping outside into a world where the air is unbreathable, a thin wisp of carbon dioxide. The temperatures can plummet to bone-chilling lows, far colder than anything on Earth. And then there are the planet-wide dust storms, capable of blotting out the sun for weeks and hurling fine, abrasive particles at everything. This isn't a place for the faint of heart. The first settlers would need to be masters of survival, problem solvers of the highest order, because on Mars, there's no calling for a quick rescue. They would be the vanguard, the ones laying the foundation for everyone who follows. Their every action a critical step in securing humanity's foothold on a new world. Upon arrival, the clock starts ticking immediately. The first mission isn't exploration or science, it's survival. Their initial task would be to establish a base, a haven against the harsh Martian elements. Forget traditional construction. The first habitats would likely be advanced, inflatable structures. These could be packed down for the long journey and then rapidly expand on the surface, providing a pressurized, breathable environment in a matter of hours. Powering this fledgling outpost would be vast arrays of solar panels, soaking up the faint Martian sunlight. But what about water? The key lies frozen beneath their feet. Rovers and drilling equipment would be deployed to extract water from underground ice deposits, a resource absolutely essential for drinking, growing food, and creating breathable oxygen through electrolysis. And speaking of food, there are no grocery stores on Mars. The colonists would become expert farmers, cultivating crops in sophisticated hydroponic or aeroponic greenhouses. Inside these climate-controlled bays, everything from lettuce to potatoes would be grown under artificial lights, providing the nutrients needed to sustain the crew. Every single resource, every breath, every meal, every drop of water would be part of a meticulous closed-loop system where everything must be produced, recycled, and conserved with near-perfect efficiency. There's simply no room for waste. As the colony stabilizes and expands, a remarkable transformation would begin. More colonists would make the journey, not just as specialists, but as families. The first children born on Mars would know nothing but the red landscape and the gentle tug of its lower gravity. With a growing population, the needs of the community would evolve. Schools would be established, teaching a curriculum unlike any on Earth, blending traditional subjects with the practical skills needed for Martian life. Small outposts could grow into sprawling cities, connected by pressurized tunnels or protected beneath massive, transparent domes that shield inhabitants from radiation while offering breathtaking views of the Martian sky. And within these cities, a new culture would emerge. Art, music, and traditions would develop, shaped by the unique challenges and wonders of their new home. They would be Martians. Life would undoubtedly be hard, a struggle against a demanding environment, but it would also be filled with a profound sense of purpose and wonder, living on the frontier of human experience. This incredible future, this vision of cities on Mars, wouldn't be possible without a technological revolution that's already underway. We're not starting from scratch. Government agencies like NASA and pioneering private companies like SpaceX are the architects of this multiplanetary dream. They are developing the very tools we need to make Mars a livable second home. It starts with the rockets. Reusable heavy-lift vehicles like SpaceX's Starship are being designed to carry massive payloads and dozens of people to Mars, making the journey more affordable and sustainable. Then there's the Artemis program. While its immediate goal is the moon, it's a crucial stepping stone. The technologies we develop for lunar habitats, life support systems, and navigating deep space are the exact same ones we'll need for Mars. We're testing the hardware and honing the procedures in our own cosmic backyard before taking that next giant leap. From advanced spacesuits that protect against radiation to life support systems that can recycle air and water for years on end, the dream of becoming a multi-planetary species is being built piece by piece right now. It's closer than you think. But let's be realistic. For all the incredible technology and human spirit, life on Mars would be relentlessly difficult and dangerous. The challenges are immense, and a single mistake could have catastrophic consequences. For starters, Mars has only about 38% of Earth's gravity. While it might sound fun to bounce around, the long-term effects on the human body, bone density loss, muscle atrophy, are serious concerns. Then there's the radiation. Without Earth's thick atmosphere and magnetic field to protect them, colonists would be constantly exposed to dangerous cosmic rays and solar radiation, significantly increasing their risk of health problems. The habitats would need heavy shielding, and any time spent outside would be strictly limited. And we can't forget the psychological toll. Imagine being confined to a small habitat with the same few people for years, 140 million miles away from everything and everyone you've ever known. The isolation would be extreme. To manage these risks, the colonists would rely heavily on advanced AI to monitor systems and predict failures, sophisticated robotics to perform dangerous outdoor tasks, and an unwavering, strict discipline in every aspect of their daily lives. On Mars, survival is a full-time job, so why do it? Why face all these dangers and challenges to colonize a cold, distant world? Colonizing Mars isn't just about planting a flag or escaping problems on Earth. It's about securing the long-term survival of our species. Life on Earth has always been vulnerable to asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, or even self-inflicted catastrophes. By establishing a self-sustaining presence on another planet, humanity creates a backup, an insurance policy for our collective consciousness, culture, and knowledge. It represents a fundamental shift in our identity. For our entire history, we have been a single-planet species. If humans ever truly settle Mars, it will be remembered as the moment we transcended that limitation. It will be the dawn of a new chapter for humanity, the moment we truly became a spacefaring civilization. Just like the first steps on the moon, the first sustainable colony on Mars will be remembered as the day humanity took its next giant leap. Not just for a nation, but for all humankind out into the cosmos. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey to the Red Planet. If you found this exploration of our potential future as fascinating as we do, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into science and space. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think would be the biggest challenge of living on Mars? Until next time, keep looking up.